So before we get into the video, I haven't uploaded in a while. I've not been very good at staying consistent with uploading the videos. I know it makes a big difference when you constantly upload. I just wanted to say that this video is a little boring. It's a bunch of time lapses of the rebuilding process of the DT175 motor. A lot of stuff is out of spec, so for now I just started with the bottom end. I got new bearings and seals in the bottom end, so it should be good now. The clutch is looking a little hurt, so I'm gonna have to order like new fibers and steels, which isn't expensive, but I need to check the measurements and tolerances on my cylinder and my piston. Probably gonna need a new piston and rings, which is fine. It'll just take longer to rebuild the bike. I'm not just gonna order everything all in one whack. I time-lapsed the rest of the building, like the reassembly, because I think it would be stupid to just have a video of me fumbling around with gears and stuff trying to get them in right. So I just time-lapsed it so I could take my time and just do it rather than like try to make it educational. I don't know, whatever, but there's that. So definitely stick around and check out the video if you want to see that done. I'm gonna try to get some more videos for the channel going. I just want to finish this dirt bike and ride it, so that's better videos, more fooling. And also, this Peugeot is done. It's not 100% tuned. I need to tune the needle and idle jet. It just messed with everything. Max and I went out on a ride and it performed pretty well. Super rattly, super vibraty. I think I need to check a lot of balances or bearings in my variator.
Potential 100 people are going to hear you say that. Yeah, I can time lapse it. Well, I can't wait outside because I want back. Is this maybe I'm going to be hitting myself now? That's awesome.
Yeah, get some product placement.
Gotta stay hydrated.
Alright, so you definitely got to use an impact hammer to bust these loose, or else you'll strip every single Phillips. Place the product.
See what's
Now smile at the camera.
So I'd say you should bunk it on the side with this hammer.
I'll tell you what, some guys just got it all nice shit, dude.
Alright, so we're going to pop these cases open to reveal the grand prize, right?
GPA, it was like looking at one of those menu.
That's one like shock it a little bit the whole time, and then just get it started. Maybe split every little bit.
Do you want me to still be filming?
Yeah. Just somewhere to get it started. A thought, maybe. Think about it.
Hopefully it sounds good.
Oh, yeah.
Let me hold it up like that.
Yeah. Here, I got it. Alright, turn it. Did that split a little bit? Whoa, hold on. Let me get rid of that.
What else is it? Starting. So all the weight's trying to get it down.
Yeah. Ah! If you're gonna hit it like that, let me move my finger. Watch my fingers.
You're fine, bro. My fingers.
It moved a lot here. I don't want to keep hitting it like that.
Yeah, hit the crank.
You don't hit it, I'll hit it.
Okay.
That's all we got. I'm not hitting it any more than that. Where did that come from?
There.
We need like a K-split tool. Spraying shit all over me.
Something fell
What
out
was
again.
that? Pin. I just don't have anywhere to hold on to it. No, no,
You don't think?
no way. What the think this is? Jiggy's Chop Shop.
That's a fat chunk of metal right
You're not
there.
hitting it with that ball peen hammer.
Mustard bearings.
Absolutely nothing. Yeah, it's done. We're done. It's finished. All right, so I goofed last night and I forgot to take out one of the case screws. I actually saw it in the morning when I was editing part of that video. I looked real close at it and I realized it was there, and then I came down here to check for bearings, and
Is that it right there?
yeah, right there, it's the last one. We're idiots.
Wow.
Good thing we weren't smashing on it too hard though.
Where?
There we go. There it went.
Oh.
Yeah.
What brand impact driver are you running there?
Dude, this is Pappy's special. KD Manufacturing Co. It's serious though.
It's not Pittsburgh though.
No, it's not. And invest in a good one. If you buy one, you will never not use this tool if you rebuild motors.
Yeah.
Really though, worth its
Especially,
weight in gold.
Stock, like, never
comes with-
split E50 with flatheads.
Yeah, you need the kit.
Yeah, good luck twisting those with your little twig wrist.
For real though. Even right now, unscrewing this is like, it's tight and it's easy because it's got girth.
It's a sick hoodie, Evan. What's that say? Oh, I heard it.
Everybody got them. All right, so that opened. That never did that last night.
Yeah.
Sick. It's gonna like come right away.
Close.
Look at that. Who'd have thunk with? Make sure you get all your bolts off.
Yeah.
All your screws out.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, look at that. It's almost there though, for sure. We were just whapping on this thing for no reason last night, smashing on it
Yeah.
and drinking Bacardis.
Yeah, there was no Smirnoff Ice.
Yeah, whatever. All right, this is the top. It might be able to just wiggle out. Yeah.
Careful.
Yeah, I don't even know what to do. Okay, everything's on that side. You ready? Whoop. Where did that even come from?
That's your, what is that?
There's like clamp.
Your
Like,
shifter
your little, I would call it the crab claw.
Mustard sauce.
Yeah, all this stuff is disgusting. Yeah, but it's cocked.
How do the teeth look on those gears?
Perfect. Second, I didn't
Look
look
at
at them.
Oh,
They're actually not that bad at all.
no,
So maybe someone was soft on their feet on this one.
look at that. What is that?
Yeah,
Is that chocolate milk in there?
it's pretty gross.
Tell them how beautiful it is, Max.
Beautiful day. It's a beautiful
day. Gonna
run some bikes.
You gonna let them know how beautiful it is. What we got here? What's this?
We got
got ourselves a what?
an old tired KE100
An old tired KE100.
and a fresh perky.
And we got what over here? Oh!
That's it?
Yeah.
Big Gucci. Nitro booming, want some more? Loud bling.